Today's video topic is using mouthwash, what you need to know. Mouthwash is a popular oral hygiene product that can help freshen breath, kill bacteria, and prevent gum disease. But with so many options available, it can be confusing to know which one to choose and how to use it correctly. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about using mouthwash. Types of mouthwash. There are three main types of mouthwash: cosmetic, therapeutic, and prescription. Cosmetic mouthwash is primarily used to freshen breath and provide a temporary sensation of cleanliness in the mouth. Therapeutic mouthwash contains active ingredients that can help prevent or treat dental issues such as gum disease or cavities. Prescription mouthwash is usually recommended by a dentist for more severe dental conditions. How to use mouthwash. Using mouthwash is a simple and easy process. Follow these steps to ensure proper use. 1. Brush your teeth and floss before using mouthwash. This will remove any food particles or plaque from your teeth and gums. 2. Measure the correct amount of mouthwash according to the instructions on the bottle. Typically, it's about 20 to 30 milliliters, or about 4 to 6 teaspoons. 3. Swish the mouthwash around in your mouth for 30 to 60 seconds. Be sure to swish it around your teeth and gums and avoid swallowing the liquid. 4. Spit out the mouthwash into the sink. 5. Do not eat, drink, or rinse your mouth for at least 30 minutes after using mouthwash. Tips for using mouthwash. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind when using mouthwash. Choose a mouthwash that is appropriate for your needs. If you have sensitive teeth or gums, look for a gentle formula. If you have bad breath or gum disease, choose a therapeutic mouthwash. Do not use mouthwash as a substitute for brushing and flossing. These are still the most important steps in maintaining good oral hygiene. Do not swallow mouthwash. It contains alcohol and other active ingredients that can be harmful if ingested. Avoid using mouthwash immediately after brushing your teeth. This can rinse away the fluoride in toothpaste, which helps to strengthen tooth enamel. If you experience any discomfort or irritation after using mouthwash, stop using it and consult with your dentist. Using mouthwash can be a great addition to your oral hygiene routine, but it's important to use it correctly and choose the right product for your needs. By following these tips and using mouthwash as directed, you can keep your mouth clean and healthy. As always, consult with your dentist for personalized advice on your oral health.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.